Hi, welcome to Zona Mechanica. There is a numerical answer type of question on kinematics. Figure at the margin indicates the weightage of the question, that is 1 mark. The following figure shows the velocity time plot for a particle traveling along a straight line. The distance covered by the particle from t is equal to 0 second to 5 seconds. See in this figure, this is the velocity axis and this is the time axis. 1 2 3 4, these are in meter per second, and this 1 2 3 4 5 6, these are in seconds. And this black line, this form line, this is the velocity time plot or velocity time graph. Well, it is asked to find the total distance traveled from t is equal to 0, that is the initial point, to t is equal to 5 up to this point. Okay, so there are 4 segments. So let S1, S2, S3 and S4 be the distances traveled by the particle in the 4 segments. So as you know that the slope of the velocity time plot indicates the acceleration of the particle. So I am writing here slope is equal to acceleration, A. Let A be the acceleration. Okay, so for the first segment, clearly slope is 1 by 1, right? This is 1, this is 1. So 1 by 1, that is the acceleration is for the segment 1, acceleration is 1 meter per second square equal to u square plus 2a into s. So from here v is the final velocity is 1 meter per second, so 1 square. U is the initial velocity, that is 0, plus 2 into a is 1 and s. Okay, so I'm writing this one as s1. Okay, so clearly s1 is equal to 1 by 2, that is 0.5 meter, right? For segment 2, segment 2, this is a uniform horizontal line, so uniform velocity, that is the value of the velocity is 1, so therefore the s2 will be 1 into this time difference is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, so 1 meter. For segment 3, this is again increasing velocity, that means the particle is having acceleration here, and acceleration will be the slope, that is this distance is 4 minus 1, that is 3 by this one, this is 1. Okay, so the acceleration is 3 by 1, that is 3. V square is equal to u square plus 2as, this is s3. Okay, so v is the final velocity, that is 4, so 4 square. U is the initial velocity, that is 1 square, plus 2 into a is 3 into s3. So from here s3 is equal to, clearly this is 16 minus 1 and this is 6s3, so s3 will be equal to 15 by 6, that is 2.5, right? For segment 4, see here it is a decline motion, right? So the graph is declining here. That means the particle is having a retardation. Then that is a negative acceleration. Okay, clearly this is 2, right? This distance, this is 2 to 4, and this distance is also 2. So the value of the retardation will be 2 by 2, that is 1, clearly. So A is equal to 1. Therefore here V square is equal to, since it is in retardation, so U square minus 2 A into S4. So V is the final velocity, that is this point velocity is 2. So 2 square is equal to U is the initial velocity, that is 4. 4 square minus 2 into A is 1 into S4. So clearly from here it is 4 is equal to 16, sorry, minus 2 into S4, which implies 2 into S4 is equal to 16 minus 4, which implies S4 is equal to 12 by 2, that is 6. So therefore the total distance will be S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4, right? So which is equal to S1 is 0.5 plus S2 is 1 plus S3 is 2.5 plus S4 is 6, so which is equal to 10 meters. So since it is a numerical answer type of question, so the answer will be in range, and range for this question is 10 to 10. That means they have asked the exact value, that is 10.